Yeah, happy moments and good. Have a wonderful day. What I want to say, what I want to talk about recent. I call this recently. Recent happen. So, one of my customers just came in now, and when you come with the phone, 100 phone, new phone like this. I don't want to measure the kind of the phone, the model, the products of the phone. I don't want to measure any model of the phone. But when you bring the phone was, he just bought the phone new, and when you bring the phone here, he just told me that the phone was not working. I said how, and he said when he plugged the phone was a 2%, and he took the phone to plug for light, and after plugging the phone for light, I leave it for some minutes or hours. He went back to go and check the phone, and after checking the phone, he can discover that the phone cannot on. Why? And later on, he move it and plug it back again for good 8 hours, and the phone cannot power on. That's why I bring it here. And after I cross check the phone, I both check it, connect it to the system. The phone cannot detect the system again, and check it to look for the hardware. I cannot detect exactly the error, but I know the phone is faulty from the charger. But I now started asking him, how does it happen? How did you do it? And he told me that when he plugged the phone for light, when he plugged the charger was permanently in the socket. And if you want to charge the phone, you just went to the socket and plug the phone and start charging. And I said, good, how will this recently happen? Did you I asked him indirectly, maybe did you first plug the charger into your phone before you plug the charger to the phone? You should understand what I mean. And he said no. Okay, did you maybe your socket, is it okay? Maybe the processing of plugging your charger, maybe your socket is shaking. And he said no. I said how? And he told me that even he used to, that is, the charger is permanently in the socket. If you want to use it, you just on the socket from the wall and start using it. And after charging, you remove it and start using the phone. And I say okay. What is now and I asked him that before you start charging, what will you do? Maybe you will first plug the charger into the phone before you on the socket. And he said yes. I say that can also spoil your charging port. It can also spoil the phone. Meanwhile, it's not good for you to plug the charger. After you plug the charger, you plug the phone, and then you plug the phone. After you plug the phone, and you now went to wall socket and on the light. From there, it can spoil the phone, it can spoil the charger, it can spoil the charging port. And I said, look at what is happening, the NEPA light we are using in this country. I mean Nigeria here. When before our fluorescent bulb was okay, there's nothing wrong with, but immediately the bulb light, sometime you will see that our bulb will just spoil. The bulb will just spoil once. And from that, you can look at it. What caused it? It's because of the high voltage, high current of the light that they brought to us that can cause it. It can also happen to the phone. You plug for light. You get that's what caused it. And the phone is already spoiled. The phone cannot on again. The next thing is to get another panel. There's not anything we can do for it. We face several kind of error, kind of problem. And why our customers don't understand the reason why the phone used to spoil like that. So we have to let them know. And if you know before, you know it again. And if you don't know, if you know it now, you know it forever. You can use your phone and enjoy it, because you can even get some necessary important thing in your phone, which you cannot gain it again once the phone is dead. So that is why it's part of what make me came out and starting explain like this. And the next thing, I'm coming with another one. I'm explaining a lot about the charging port. I'm explaining a lot. Two now, I'm explaining Yoruba version and English version. And now This is still charging port. I've already explained Nupe version now, which is Takpa knows by Yoruba, called Takpa, but Nupe, I've explained that. I want to post it, and after I post it, I will go further more. I will go further to mouthpiece. What's for a mouthpiece? How will you be using your phone that you will not get mouthpiece will not get for? You don't know what I mean by mouthpiece? Mouthpiece is when you make a call. The person you are talking to, he cannot hear you. That's what I call mouthpiece. When such thing happen, what spoil it? What is solution? How will you be using it? What can you do that can spoil the mouthpiece? How will you do? I will be continue after this now, and I'm truly done with this now for now. But if you have any question, you can message me. If you have any challenge, you can let me know. But the next thing you can do for the others is just to share, like and share it to the others. And after you like and share it, the other also can gain from this. And you can subscribe too. If you subscribe, when your phone will notify whatever I upload, or I come with another solution to you. Your phone will notify you, get notification, and go and watch and learn from it. Good day. You are welcome for now.